In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the combination switch in this Lincoln Navigator. Let's get into it. We're going to pull this trim piece off. What you can do is just grab behind it and just pull. If it doesn't come off that easy, you can use a trim tool. Just slide this up. I'm going to have to rock this down and just slide this out of the way. You can see on the back side, there's just some push pins holding it in. We're going to take this bottom cover off the steering column, use a Phillips head screwdriver. There's screws underneath here. Take those out. That screw fell out. That screw came out. We have this handle. I'm going to take this handle off by unscrewing it. And then slide the cover out. With the top cover, we're just going to lift it gently. We don't want to take it off completely. There is the lock cylinder holding it in. You could take that off, but you don't need to. We just want to access the screws for the switch. Now I'm going to use a T20 socket. We'll take the two screws out. There's one down below and one up top. Take those screws out. And when you take the top one out, the switch is going to move to the side. Just grab the switch. Now pulling this out slightly, you can use a pocket screwdriver, straight blade screwdriver, and just pop the connector off. You're going to have a tab on each side. Just using the pocket screwdriver, you can pop those off. Slide the lower connector off first. And there's a lock underneath it as well. Just have to pop both of those off. There we go. That pops off. You can see underneath there's a tab as well. You can use a pick or a pocket screwdriver. Take the new switch, line that up, lock it down, and then the lower connector, do the same, line it up, lock it in place, and slide it in position. Take the screws, get the screws started. Tighten down the screws. Just snug them down, and same with the bottom screw. Just snug it down. You can just put the adjuster handle in temporarily. Tip it up and take it off. Take the lower cover, line it up. Lock the covers together. And start screwing in the screws. And snug the screws down, not too tight. Take the steering column adjusting lever handle, screw that in. Snug that down. Take this cover, just slide this around the back, Run the shift lever into place and push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.